Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we have got few of the work from home job opportunities as well. So let me share those details with you. And before that, this is a career guidance call that you can book with us. So I'll be connecting with you one is to one, and those calls will not be recorded. Don't worry. You can share your problem with respect to the career, with respect to the testing, or with respect to the tools, technologies that you are getting stuck. If you have any problem, any questions related to the background verification, if you have any questions related to the job opportunities, you're not getting calls, your resume is not getting shortlisted, feel free to book a call with us. I'll be happy to assist you, and I'll personally connect with you. It would be a video call. We'll connect with you and we'll sort the things out for you. So feel free to book a call on the top meet. I'll put all the links in the first comment of the video itself. Now let me share few of the job opportunities with you. So there are multiple job opportunities, and today we have got various fresher opportunities as well. So if you're a fresher and you are looking for a job, please watch this video till the end, and please hit the like button so that this video reaches till the maximum people. So the first company which is hiring for software engineers, and they are hiring for both QA as well as automation. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. They are looking for skills such as QA automation, software testing, Selenium automation tools, basic scripting, Azure DevOps, SDLC knowledge, defect tracking tools. All these things they are looking. And here is the application link. So you need to apply here. Then the second opportunity is again for a freshers. So they are hiring for testing and a freshers position. Location is Noida. It's a work from office opportunity. See, if you are a fresher, then don't look for work from home jobs. Okay, don't look for remote jobs, because if you will go to the companies, if you will interact, if you will collaborate there with the experienced professionals, with the experienced folks, you'll get a lot of knowledge. You'll get a lot of good exposure to the domain, to the tools, technologies that have been used, right? So all those things you'll be using. So requirements are should have been trained on manual testing, automation testing, should have knowledge of API testing, Java and Selenium, good communication skills. And here is a email address wherein you can share your CV. Then there is a requirement for software engineers, freshers, and this is with respect to the engineering. If somebody wants to start their career in the front end development, back end development, then you can enroll here. Okay, so you just have to fill up this particular form. Then there's a requirement at VTEST. So they are hiring builders of quality, and the requirement is for SDET, senior SDET, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. Hybrid or remote flexibility is also there. Great opportunity for AI automation and performance testing. Leadership plus hands-on engineering exposure. Be a part of high impact QA transformations. So you can be a part of all these big teams. Mhm. Right. Clovity is hiring for QA lead. It's again Noida. It's work from office, 8 to 10 years of experience. So they are looking for someone who can lead end-to-end QA strategy. Sorry, somebody who can do planning, execution, manage and mentor QA team members, define automation roadmap. 8 to 10 years of QA experience, manual plus automation is their requirement. Strong knowledge of Agile, STLC and SDLC, and you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then IBM has got an opportunity for entry level engineers. So the link is provided here. I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video. So feel free to apply directly with the IBM company. It's a great opportunity, especially if you are kickstarting your career. If you want to move ahead with the IT, it's a very good company. Job ID is provided, location is provided, right? Then there is a requirement for QA software testing professionals. They are looking for someone who can perform web application testing, can create test plans, test cases, can report defects using agile methodology, cross-browser testing. So they are looking for immediate joiners. BTech, MTech is preferred. ISTQB certification would be a plus point. Here is a link which you have to enroll to. Then TestLogs is looking for quality assurance specialist with expertise in API testing and automation. The client is Shell. Okay, IBM, and experience is 5 to 7 years. Notice period is 25 days. Location is Bangalore. So you can design, and you would be responsible for designing, executing multiple test regimes, including feature and functional testing, end-to-end system testing, the regression testing. All these things would be required, right? Then there's a remote job also. So let me open this link. Okay. So this is a position with respect to API automation testing, and the domain is pension. So pension is a domain, and you can connect with the HR or the hiring team here. They are looking for someone who can perform API testing and can has got prior experience in the pension domain, right? So that is a requirement. Apart from this, also there are multiple other opportunities. So yeah. So this is a requirement with respect to, yeah, L&T Technology. So they are hiring for senior engineers. Work location is Bangalore. Experience is 4 to 8 years. They are looking for someone who can develop, execute test cases, scripts. Again, both automation plus manual. And you would be expected to know about how to create test plans, test cases, test scenarios, all those things. Rest assured is very important. You should have knowledge on rest assured, and you need to contact Naveen S, that is your HR executive, and the email address is given for this particular company. Then apart from that also there are other opportunities. Okay. So this is a company which is hiring for manual testers. Experience required is 4 plus years, and timings would be 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. So you would be expected to do manual testing, test case design and execution, should have knowledge on Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, JavaScript, Python, automation scripting, API testing, regression, integration testing, bug tracking tools, SDLC knowledge is required. So you can call here and you can share your resume at this particular email address. Right. So they are looking for quality assurance analyst mid-level. So you can apply for this particular position. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.